Why was it necessary for RECAD to become law? Basically to provide protection for the consumer, to determine who's going to represent the seller and who's going to represent the buyer, so it's totally clear. And that's because every consumer has a legal right to be represented when buying or selling property. And the way it's established is through an employment agreement for representation, also known as a buyer's agreement. The Consumer Real Estate Brokerage Services Disclosure and Office Policy can be found in 790-X-3-.13. Now, RECAD does not apply to transactions engaging any corporation, nonprofit, LLC, PA, or etc. that's created under the Uniform Partnership Act. Investment trust, business trust, charitable trust, family trust, or any governmental entity in transactions involving real estate. The Internet and RECAD. RECAD is required as soon as reasonably possible, again, and before any confidential information is disclosed. You must have a written RECAD form, and of course, if they're just asking general questions on the Internet, this would not trigger RECAD. Now, after disclosure and when the consumer chooses the type of agency that they want that's available from the brokerage agreement needs to contain the terms and conditions of the services that's going to be provided. Now, without a signed brokerage agreement, it causes a transaction brokerage type of relationship to remain in effect.